channel. Today's video is going to be on this nail drill sent to me from BTArtbox. I'm super excited to open it. I was fiending for a new nail drill and they came through with the year. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. I got this from BTArtbox. Like I said, they sent it to me. It's on Amazon. I will put it in the description box below so you guys can go ahead and check it out for yourselves. If you want to order it, the link is in the description box, okay? So this is a 25,000 RPM machine, and I'm super excited to open this. I was fiending for a new drill, like I said, like I promise you. So we're gonna open this. First thing, of course, is the user manual. You know something? I never really read these unless I really have to. Like, unless I literally don't know what I'm doing, I don't really read those, which is bad. Or I come to YouTube and find somebody else that already uses the same product as me. Boom. So what I have right here is the drill itself, I guess, the hardware of it, how it works. This is super light. Like, this is cute. I already like how it is, and the pictures really get me. If pictures and reviews are good, I like it. And I like this machine. You guys know I have my little pink drill from where I get it from eBay. If you guys don't know about that drill, you can go look at my nail haul video. I think it's part 1, but there's 2 parts, so check out either one to see the nail drill. It was cheap. It was like $9. This is on Amazon for $39. And no, this is not a sponsored video, but I am doing a review because I like to give y'all some keys, okay? Period. But yeah, $39 on Amazon. This is really inexpensive, and so far it looks good to me. We're gonna plug it up. We're gonna see how it works, all that stuff. I'm going to get into using it more in my next video, so definitely check out my next video. But I am going to plug it up. We're going to see how it runs, all that good stuff. So we have our power block, power cords, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so next we have our cord that connects our machine, our drill to our machine. Yeah, this is pretty cute. Like, this is sturdy. The one I had before, not so sturdy. But yeah. So moving on, we're gonna go into our actual drill bit. This is cute. This is a lot slimmer than my pink one, and it's light. Like, I like this. The machine, I mean, the description says it's light, but this is nice. Like, it's not heavy, it's not bulky. My pink machine actually split on the sides. If I had it right now, I would show you guys, but I don't know where it is. You know, I got the business going right now, so it's like I'm doing nails, my mom's helping me do nails, so it's all over the place. But yeah, so I like this machine so far. It looks good. Presentations, everything. This looks solid. It has like this metal, like, I don't know, titanium metal feel. And then like this is, it's cold. I like that. It's cold. But yeah, and it's like this plasticky, but it's not like it'll fall out your hand. Like, it has a good grip to it, and I like that. Then we have our drill bits and some sand bands. If you guys ever, like, yeah, they give you 6 sand bands in here, but I went on to eBay, I think, and you can get, no, or Amazon, either one, and I bought a bunch of 180 grade sand bands because I know I was going to need them. You guys know I don't really do acrylic yet, only because I can't really do it where I'm at right now. But 180 sand bands are good as well. You can use it for your presto nails, etc. I would buy those because you don't want to keep using the same nails, especially if you are doing acrylic nails and you have different clients. You don't want to be using the same sand band. It's kind of nasty, super nasty, unhygienic, period. All right, so we're going to plug it up. So, okay, all right, boom. All right, so this goes into this end, and these 2 little pieces go into this end. Maybe not. Oh, there we go. And then I like at the top, it has like this little holder. So at the top, that's where you put it. And then we're about to put the drill bits in because why not? Like I said, I'm going to be using this in my next video, so might as well place that here. I think this is a nice little size. You can put it on the side of your desk. Even if you don't have a huge desk like this, you can put it on like the corner or something. I think it is a really nice size. We're gonna test it out. I think I still have some like nail glue resin on my nails, so we're gonna see if we can get that off with this and see how it works. Go ahead, push that in there. Okay, I think this is as far as it goes. Pop band on there. Okay, so on it, it has the on-off switch, and then it has the F and R, which is forward and reverse. So we definitely want it to go forward. I'm gonna turn it on. Oh, I like that it has a little light when it lights up. And I felt like the machine do something. Yeah, it like clicks when it turns on. It actually like, you can feel it in the machine. That's dope. All right, so we're just gonna go up to, ooh. Right now I'm at 7,000 RPM. This is 14,000 RPM. It's still really low. It's not too loud or noisy, but you can tell it's a drill going. All right, this is 25 RPM. It's really vibrating a lot. I don't know. I mean, I'm pretty sure you're not even supposed to be using it all the way up here, but it vibrates a good amount. It's not where it'll mess you up, but you do feel the vibrations. So I'm gonna go down to 7,000 again, and I'm just gonna like file the top of my nail. I know this isn't really doing anything, but oops. All right, not too bad, not too bad. I'm gonna turn it up a little bit to 14,000. And there's a lot of glue in this now. Typically, when you leave a drill on a certain spot for a long time, it starts to burn. Haven't really had that happen so far. But then again, I'm not leaving it on for a long time. Ooh. I would suggest with this, and I know it may sound ghetto, but I suggest getting some grip tape. I'll put it in the description box below. I have grip tape for like my tattoo equipment because I use a rotary pen. And I would suggest getting that to wrap around this just so it'll be easier to grip. I mean, it has a grip to it, but it does vibrate a lot, and that tension can go against your hand, and it can make your hand shake a lot more than, you know, what it needs to. I mean, it's not bad, but when you're moving, you don't want it to slip and you mess around and file your client's hand or mess up your nail, because it's possible. So I would definitely suggest getting a nail grip, because this is really slick. Like, this is a really slick machine, but overall, I'm super impressed. Like I said, I'm going to be posting another video. It may not be the next one, it may be the one down the line, but definitely going to use this on some nails, some press-on nails. If you guys do want more acrylic nail videos, I will make them. I have been practicing, but it's just going to take a lot to record them. But I definitely can do that for you guys. I pretty much, so far, even just off my nails, I think this is a pretty good nail drill, and it's affordable. Like I said, this is not sponsored. I'm not trying to sell you guys a drill to help the people, but I really like the BTArtbox brand, like the company. They're really good. Like I said, I get my press-on nails from them, and I'm really glad that I got this drill, because this is a lot better than what I had in the description box below, so you guys can go to the link, check it out for yourself, check out the other reviews. I'm impressed. I'm happy. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the rest of my videos, and thank you for watching.